Hi, this is Ranadeep Matthew. Today is Mahaashtami, 30th September 2025, and this is our pandal in Military Road uh, area. And see the goddess Durga along with her family, Ganesh, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and Kartik. And this is the condition. So I have taken a video of 360-degree view of goddess and god inside the pandal, and just adjacent to this pandal it is our Pragati Club. So they have created a series of they have created a itinerary, and they have pasted as a display. So it is being written Shri Shri Sharadiya Durga Puja Shamay Nirghanto 1432. So in English, if I convert, it will be like Panchami is 5th, Shashti is 6th, Saptami is 7th, Ashtami is 8th, and Shondi Puja they say is like on the eve, I think eve of 8th day, Ashtami, and then Navami is 9th, and Dashami is Dashera or 10th day of Durga Puja, wherein the Durga goddess along with her family will be immersed in water, and that step is being conducted near our place, Military Road, and that is on Lalka Puku in Raipur Road. So the immersion takes place in Raipur Road, and our is Military Road. So our Military Road is basically a parallel road to Raipur Road. So in Raipur Road there is a big pond wherein immersion of goddess and with her family takes place every year. So on the 10th, that is Dashami or Dasara, immersion of god and goddess will be taking place. And so this is the 21st Durga Puja celebration inside Military Road. So you can see the entire idols of goddess and gods. So very nicely created, and thereafter I went for
Today is Ashtami
Mahapur.
We are inside Military Odivas Brindo Durga Puja Utsav eating place. So today everybody is eating. So I'll show you the entire eating procedure. Anyway, it's not the eating procedure. So today is Mahaashtami. We had our Anjali being done, and thereafter there will be lunch procedure. So I'll show you the entire scenario. So this is the structure. This is Dream Guest House, wherein lot of marriage ceremonies along with birthday parties will be are being conducted, and with that this festival celebration is also being conducted in the form of lunch eating during Mahaashtami. So this is the procedure. You first have to go for Anjali, and today was raining heavily, so I was not able to. Obviously, you have to take a bath, and then you have to go for Anjali. Anjali is prayer to goddess Durga along with her family, Ganesh, Kartik, Saraswati, and Lakshmi. 5 god and goddess will be there combined, and thereafter, after completing, or those who cannot complete, they can directly come to this place and have. Since this entire festival celebration is inside Military Road, and we are the citizens of Military Road, and that's how we celebrate after Anjali. So this is Dream Guest House since 1988, and this is 2025, and see the kind of decoration, architectural upliftment inside this hall had taken place over the years. For last, if 1985 if we consider till 2025, it will be around 37 years. So see, the after 37 years this entire hall has become like this, absolutely an eye tonic to for the eyes. Absolutely an eye tonic for the eyes. Over the years, it was initially a kind of. Thereafter, the situation has taken place. So my Didi means Pinky Didi's marriage ceremony has been conducted in this hall in 2013, and thereafter the changes you can see in 2025. So that's all, and I wish you once again happy Maha Ashtami Bhog. Bye.